Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. You know, I'm a big Disney nerd and I've not been able to go to the parks. My home park is Disneyland, and so I ordered me some magic. And if you're not familiar, they have a series out right now called the Minnie Mouse Main Attraction, and that's basically what I was searching for. And so let me just share what I got. I got two different packages. So the one package I already opened already, and I just got a shirt that I got two of these, one for me and one for my daughter for matching. And like, they were regular 25 bucks and they're on sale for $9.99. So I got that, and I'm excited to see what else. Oh, look at this. So yes, got to reuse the tissue paper for sure, so save that. Oh, here's all my goodies. Here's what I've been wanting, and it is the main attraction pin collection. And like I said, it was a series, and they're up to the 6th series out of 12. I think it was like monthly. Next month is King Arthur, and I believe the week after that is Dumbo. You can find more information on their Shop Disney website. Oh my gosh, so let's take a look. And they are limited edition release. Look at the ears. Look at Minnie. And look at Hook's ship. Oh, yay! I'm so happy. And then I just got some extra birthday pins because they were on sale too for Happy Meal. Love that. And I got these Chip and Dale pins as well. And Minnie and Mickey Tsum Tsums to add to my Tsum Tsum collection. Which are, if you're interested in it, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a video on my Tsum Tsums. I don't have a lot, but to some people, I do. But yeah, that was my magical mini box. All my goodies, so happy. So yeah, hope you guys are having a crafty week and a magical week. And until my next video, shakas.